Indian railways serve millions every day. Let's learn the right way to use train toilets for a clean journey. Toilets are usually located at both ends of the coach. Look for the symbols. Check the indicator before entering. Lock the door securely once inside. Use the toilet as intended. This prevents damage and ensures hygiene. Always flush after use to leave the toilet clean for the next passenger. If you spill water or soap, clean it up to prevent accidents. Wash your hands thoroughly after use. If water isn't available, use hand sanitizer. Use the waste bin for tissues and sanitary products. Do not throw them in the toilet. Avoid littering to keep toilets functional and clean. Your small efforts can make a big difference. Let's keep our trains clean.